Hello everyone, welcome back to our sessions. In this video, we are going to discuss about one of the important concept in aptitude called profit and loss. Also, there is a high chance of giving questions from profit and loss in various competitive exams. Before going to solve questions on profit and loss, let's discuss about what is the concept of profit and loss and what are the formulas involved in this profit and loss. Okay, it is very important for you all to know what are the terms which are involved in profit and loss. Okay, majorly when we are solving questions on profit and loss, we are not going to use any formulas. Okay, but it is very important you to all know what will be the formulas which are there in profit and loss, and majorly the questions that which is in the profit and loss, we are not going to solve okay by using formulas. We are trying to solve by using a shortcuts. Okay, let's see about the concept of profit and loss. Okay, when we look at the concept of profit and loss, okay, there are few terminologies which are involved in profit: cost price, selling price, market price, profit, loss, and discount. Okay, these are the terms that you need to understand. Okay, let me teach you about these terminology by just considering one small example. Okay, just overview of this terminology. Okay, let's say that I have one shop. Okay, a stationery shop. Let us assume that I have one stationery shop. Okay, I'm buying different products for the stationery shop. Okay, let's consider I'm buying one pen. Okay, and that costs 100 rupees. From where I'm buying it means from manufacturing unit. Okay, from manufacturer I bought one pen. Let us say that for 100 rupees. Now what is this 100 rupees called? We can call it as cost price. Okay, now this 100 rupees is called cost price of the product or cost price of the pen. Okay, now hope you understood what is meant by cost price. Cost price is nothing but the product which you bought. Okay, the price at you which you bought is nothing but cost price. Now I'm selling that pen. Okay, I'm selling that pen to the customer. Okay, let us say that he is the customer and he is going to buy that pen. Now I am selling it to the customer for 120 rupees. Okay, now I'm selling that pen to the customer for 120 rupees. Can you tell me what is this 120 rupees called? This 120 rupees is called selling price of the pen. Okay, this 120 rupees is called selling price of the pen. Now if I will ask you a simple question, what will be the profit I got? Okay, now profit means here I bought that pen for 100 rupees. Now I'm selling it to the customer for 120 rupees. What will be the profit? Very simple. Profit is nothing but 20 rupees. Now I got profit of 20 rupees. Now hope you understood this 20 rupees. How we got this 20 rupees means in this terminology we call it as profit is nothing but selling price minus cost price. Selling price minus cost price. Always do remember, if you are getting a profit in the business, selling price should be greater than cost price. When selling price is greater than cost price, then only you will get profit. What if you will get, what if you will get loss? Okay, means here cost price is greater than selling price. Suppose if the cost price is 100 rupees, what if I will sell it for 80 rupees? Means will I get profit? No, if I will sell it for 80 rupees, I am getting 20 rupees loss. So when you are getting loss, their cost price is higher than selling price. And I hope you understood the relation between selling price and cost price. Now here profit is 20 rupees. Now similarly, how we can find profit percentage? Okay, profit percentage can be calculated by profit divided by cost price into 100. Profit divided by cost price into 100. Now here what is the profit we have? Profit is 20 rupees divided by what's the cost price we have? 100 rupees into 100. So 100 will get cancelled. So overall how much profit I got it as? 20%. Okay, overall profit we got it as 20%. And be very careful here, whatever the amount here we got, which is not same to the percentage. Profit in terms of rupees is 20 rupees. Profit in terms of percentage will be calculated by using this formula. You just try to understand about these formulas. So here we have seen what is meant by cost price, what is meant by selling price, and profit percentage. Suppose in case, okay, in case if I will sell it for, instead of 120 rupees, if I will sell it for, let us consider 75 rupees. Okay, if I will sell it for 75 rupees, can you tell me what I will get, either profit or loss? Of course, I will get loss. How much loss I will get? Here I am getting loss of 25 rupees. Okay, how you will calculate loss? Cost price minus selling price. Cost price minus selling price. That's the reason I have loss of 25 rupees. Now, similarly, how loss percentage can be calculated? Loss percentage is equals to loss divided by cost price into 100. Now, how much is the loss? 25 rupees divided by 100 is the cost price into 100. So 100 will get cancelled. Answer will be 25%. So now the loss is 25%. Now if you remember these two formulas, profit percentage and loss percentage, profit percentage will be calculated profit by CP into 100. Loss percentage will be calculated loss divided by CP into 100, means cost price. Now, if you observe, why in the denominator we are only considering cost price? Why? Because cost price will always be fixed one. Why? Because when I'm purchasing one pen from the manufacturer, that cost price will be 100%. That will be the fixed one. Now, whether I will get profit or loss, it depends on the price that I will sell that pen. Correct? And I hope you understood. Okay, whether you will get profit or loss, it depends on your selling price. But the actual price of the pen will be 100 rupees. That's the reason in the denominator we considered cost price. Okay, and I hope you all are clear with this: cost price, selling price, profit and loss. Also profit percentage as well as loss percentage. Now the same example, okay, we are left with some other terms. Okay, the same example I will explain it in different way. Let us consider the same shop. I bought one pen, okay, for cost price of 100 rupees. We all know that it is cost price. Now I'm increasing that amount. Okay, now I purchased one pen for 100 rupees, where I can call it as cost price. Now I want to sell. Okay, now I want to increase that amount to, let us consider 150 rupees. Okay, I want to increase that amount to 150 rupees. Everyone try to understand this example. It is most important one, because many questions will be given in the similar type. Okay, so I want to increase that amount to 150 rupees, and from this amount, okay, from this amount I am giving discount. Okay, and I hope if you went to some malls or supermarkets where it will be given like discounts will be given. Okay, now I want to give discount of 20% from 150. Okay, from 150 I want to give discount of 20%. Now just try to understand here. 100 rupees is cost price of the pen. Now what is this 150 rupees? I increased the price from cost price to 150 rupees, which is called marked price. Okay, remember this price is called marked price. Okay, why? Because I'm marking up the price from cost price, which is called market price. Okay, now from market price I'm giving 20% discount. Now when I'm giving 20% discount, what is 20% of 150? Remember, always discount will be given from market price. Here market price is nothing but MRP. And I hope if you go to the shopping malls or if you go to the supermarkets where you will see MRPs on the products, right? So MRP is nothing but market price. And like how they will sell to the customers is like they will give discount on market price. Correct? But that market price is not exactly as cost price. So here they are giving 20% discount on market price. Now if what is 20% of 150? 10% of 150 is 15 rupees. Correct? 20% is 30 rupees. So 30 rupees discount. In terms of rupees, discount eliminated as 30 rupees. Correct? In terms of percentage it is 20%, but in terms of rupees, how much discount we got it as? 20% of 150, 30 rupees. Now 30 rupees discount is given. from 150. Now the customer will purchase that product for 120 rupees. Now what is this 120 rupees? 120 rupees is nothing but selling price. Okay, and I hope you understood. Okay, relation between cost price, selling price and market price. If you understand this logic, first example and second example, cost price is same. Okay, selling price is also same. Selling price is 120. But what actually the difference between first example and second example? This is how actually the business strategies. Okay, instead of directly selling it to 120 rupees, how they will do is they will first increase that to some other price where we can call it as market price. Okay, why? Because customers will easily attract to the word called discount. Okay, they will increase to 150 rupees and then they will give discount from market price. Here, if you observe overall, the customers are buying it for 120 rupees, but moreover, all customers will attract to this second one because here they will feel that they are getting discount from the shops. Okay, and I hope you all are clear with this. Now, what is this market price means? MRP. Sometimes in the questions they will give it as tag price. Okay, if you go to the cloth store, you can observe tag price. Okay, so tag price, MRP, market price, all these terms may be different, but the meaning is same. Okay, and I hope you all are clear with this. What is meant by discount? What is meant by selling price? What is meant by market price? Okay, so these are the terms which are involved in profit and loss. And also I'm going to teach you one important trick which will helps you to solve profit and loss questions with minimum steps required. Okay, again I'm saying, with this trick, whatever I'm going to teach you now, by using the trick you are going to solve profit and loss questions with as minimum steps as it takes. Okay, so everyone just listen about this simple trick. It is very easy. Okay, this trick is nothing but just we are going to find the relation between selling price and cost price. Why? Because most of the students don't know about this logic. How they will try to find the profit and loss questions will be by using all the formulas. Profit percentage means selling price minus cost price divided by cost price into 100. They will use all these formulas and they will take more time and also more steps to solve profit and loss questions. But if you understand this, maximum you can solve, okay, within a minute and very less steps. Okay, so we are going to find the relation between selling price and cost price. Okay, how we can make it a selling price and cost price means, see here, when there is selling price is equals to cost price, when there is selling price is equals to cost price, how much is the profit that we can earn? If selling price is equals to cost price, suppose I purchased one product, okay, for 100 rupees and I'm selling it for 100 rupees. Now I will not get any profit, I will not get any loss. Why? Because the same price which I bought, I'm selling it to the customers. So here there is no profit, no loss. Okay, no profit, no loss in this case. When selling price is equals to cost price. Now let us say that now when selling price is equals to, okay, 1.2 times of cost price. Okay, 1.2 times of cost price. Now in this case you just try to understand whether you will get profit or loss. In this case selling price is more than cost price because selling price is 1.2 times more than cost price, correct? 1.2 times of cost price means here I can surely say that selling price is higher than cost price. Okay, always remember, if selling price is higher than cost price, for sure I will get profit. And how much profit I will get is very simple. After decimal, what will be the value you can observe? After decimal you can observe 2, correct? So in this case my profit is 20%. That's it. Okay, my profit is 20%. And you should know how to frame the relation between selling price and cost price when you know profit or when you know loss percentage. Okay, if you understand, okay, this, you can just write it within fraction of seconds what will be the relation between selling price and cost price if you know profit percentage or loss percentage? Now very simple. If the selling price is equals to 1.1 time of cost price, now how much is my profit after decimal? What is the value? 1. So answer will be 10% profit. Okay, when it is 10% profit means when it is 1 point something. Okay, 1 point something means selling price is more. So after decimal, whatever the value we have, profit is 10% or 20%. Now let me give you a small proof how it is. Okay, how we can frame the relation. Now let us say selling price is equals to 1.1 times of cost price. Okay, now after decimal, when we have 1, what I said, 10% is my profit. Okay, let me give you the explanation. Okay, how it will be possible by formulas. Okay, now selling price is equals to, can I write 1.1 time of cost price is nothing but cost price plus 0.1 time of cost price. Can I write like this? Why? Because if you add again cost price plus 0.1 time of cost price, it will gives you again 1.1 time of cost price. Now I'm writing in the next step selling price. Take this cost price to the left hand side. So selling price minus cost price is equals to 0.1 time of cost price. Now selling price minus cost price divided by cost price is equals to 0.1. Correct? Okay. Now what is the selling price minus cost price, which is equals to profit divided by cost price? What is profit? Profit divided by cost price into 100. If you multiply with 100 on the both sides, left hand side and right hand side, 0.1 into 100. So what is this entire formula called, which is nothing but profit percentage? How much it is? 0.1 into 100 will gives you 10%. So rather than doing all these steps in exam, it's better if you understand if 10% profit, we can directly frame relation between selling price and cost price, which is equals to 1.1 time of cost price. Now I will ask you one simple question. What if the profit is 50%? Can you tell me what will be the relation between selling price and cost price? Selling price is equals to 1.5 times of cost price. That's it. Because after decimal, if you see the number 5, okay, 5 or 50, whatever it is, okay, so answer will be 50%. Now if it is 72% profit, okay, I'm just representing plus symbol for profit, minus symbol for loss. Okay, so if it is 72% profit, how we can frame the relation between selling price and cost price? Selling price is equals to 1.72 times of cost price. Okay, why? Because after decimal, if we have 72, that indicates 72% profit. And I hope you all are clear with this. Now let me ask you a few more questions based on this. Okay, now what if the profit is 38%? If profit is 38%, what will be the relation between selling price and cost price? Selling price is equals to 1.38 times of cost price. Okay, so this is how we can represent the relation between selling price and cost price. Now next part, what if we have loss? Okay, let us say I'm getting loss of 10%. I'm getting loss of 10%. What will be the relation between selling price and cost price? Means here, if you observe, when we are getting profit, it will be 1.38. Okay, here it should be 1. Correct? Just a minute. Okay, here it will be 1. Now here 1 indicates profit. Okay, now when we are getting loss, relation between selling price and cost price will be selling price is equals to, now selling price will be less than cost price, right? Because we are getting loss. So selling price is equals to 0. How much it is? 9 times of cost price. Okay, and I will tell you how to frame relation between selling price and cost price. If it is loss, in a simplest way, here 0.9, right? Okay, when we have 0 point, loss indicates 0. Okay, 0 point something. Now this value means here when we have 10% loss. Okay, when we have 10% loss, consider it as 9 means here 90, whatever it is, both are same, right? So 90 plus 10, 90 plus 10 should be 100. Okay, so you just need to tally with the value 100. So I will give you one more example. Let us consider if loss of, let us say, if loss of 62%. Okay, consider it as loss of 62%. How I can frame relation between selling price and cost price? Selling price is equals to 0 point. Now this value, what I need to write here? 62. What value I need to write to make it 100? 62. 100 minus 62 is 38. So 0.38 times of cost price. So when the loss of 62%, relation between selling price and cost price is selling price is equals to 0.38 times of cost price. And the final question, now what if the loss of 52%? If the loss of 52%, now directly we can write it as selling price is equals to 0.48 times of cost price. That's it. And I hope you all are clear with this trick. Why? Because it is most important, and you will understand in the next videos when we are going to solve questions on profit and loss. It would be very easy if you know how to frame the relation between selling price and cost price. As many students are not aware of this trick, they used to take many steps and more time to solve problems on profit and loss. Okay, and I hope you all are clear with this small trick. Thank you, everyone.